When you first sign up, Surfboard will walk you through a few simple steps to get your workspace up and running. First, you'll add your workspace name and company's legal name, which Surfboard will use to generate official board approvals. If you want, you can also take a minute to add your current objectives. These will appear on the dashboard of every member of your workspace, so it's a great way to keep your team focused on your current priorities. Then, all you have to do is choose a starting point. If you're ready to create your first meeting, send a board update, or invite people to your workspace, go ahead and dive right in. Otherwise, we'll walk you through a few easy ways to get started. First, we recommend taking a minute to customize your dashboard. You can choose which items you'd like to include on your dashboard and rearrange them by dragging and dropping. Note that these settings will determine how the dashboard appears for every member of your workspace. When you're happy with your dashboard, let's go ahead and update your workspace settings. You'll find these under Admin Tools. Here, you can add your logo and brand colors, change your company name, update your objectives, and sync third-party apps like social media accounts, QuickBooks, and calendars. If you're ready to invite your team to join you, you can invite new users from the Members tab. Just add an email, assign admin or member-only permissions, and add a quick welcome message. You can choose if you want to send the invitation now or batch send invitations later. Now that your workspace is set up, let's get familiar with Surfboard's features. We'll start with meetings. When you create a meeting, you can use our board meeting template, create a custom meeting, or ask Surfboard AI to generate a meeting for you. From here, you can quickly add your meeting info like date, time, and location, then get to work building your agenda. To delete or rearrange topics, use the agenda summary on the left. Within each agenda item, you can allocate time, set a topic as restricted, or delegate a topic to another member of your workspace. We've also included some tools to help you populate the content of each agenda item. By clicking the plus icon, you can draft with AI, embed or attach links and files, and insert tables. You can preview your agenda at any time by clicking this icon in the top right corner. This will show you how your agenda will appear to other members of your workspace. When you're ready to share an agenda, you can choose to share it with individual members of your team or groups, like board members or advisors. You can create custom groups using the Members tab. After you share a meeting, anyone you've shared it with will be able to add comments, which is a great way to collect feedback and questions before a meeting. On the day of your meeting, all you have to do is click Present, and Surfboard will automatically turn your agenda into polished professional slides. Now let's take a look at updates. When you create a new update, you can choose from one of our templates or create a custom update to start from scratch. From here, drafting is easy. You can populate the content of your update using the text box or use one of Surfboard AI's built-in prompts. You can also use the plus icon to insert links and files or add suggested topics from our template library. Just like meetings, members of your workspace can add comments to discuss an update after it's been shared. Now let's hop over to approvals. If you're approving minutes, you can use the Meeting Minutes template or create minutes by uploading a transcript of your meeting. When you use the Minutes template, you can choose from a list of past meetings in Surfboard, and the relevant information will be automatically populated into your approval. For any approval, you can set a close date and time, or set the approval to auto-close when all votes have been collected. When you share an approval, you can assign members of your workspace to vote. Placing a vote is easy. All you have to do is click the relevant button and add your signature. You can change your vote as long as the approval is open. If needed, admins also have the ability to vote on behalf of their board members. Once an approval is finalized, your vote is considered official and legally binding, and a copy of the approval will be automatically saved to your data room. Your data room is where you can securely save and share board-related files, like bylaws, company handbooks, or other onboarding materials. Next, we have asks. Asks are designed to help you get feedback or support from your board on specific tasks. Depending on the type of ask you need, Surfboard will automatically populate a draft of the ask for you. You can review asks one by one or get a high-level view of your asks using the table view. A few final things. You can use messages to chat with your board members or start a group chat, manage your board members' profiles using the directory, sync your LinkedIn network using connections, and use surveys to create D&O questionnaires or other polls. Finally, if you need to update your user profile or settings, you can do so by clicking on your avatar in the bottom left corner. And if you get stuck at any time, you can drop questions in the Surfboard AI chat box, use the quick search tool to locate items in your workspace, or just reach out to us directly. We're always happy to help. Happy surfing!